Same time me hear one old man say, we no can't smell good on the nose no open. Poop don't smell, so you are hear me people. That's somebody we fat supposed to shit too.
Welcome. If you're first time here, thanks for stopping by. If you're a returning customer, if you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. Yeah man, today we are going to review, in my opinion, the best storyteller in dancehall. Do I need to say his name? The Professor Nuts. No long talking, let's get into it.
After me poop, me did kind of frightened because me feel something, but me never too certain. If the seat did better risk do, me do, but what? All me know me sit down in a something. One girl when they beside me, they look and say, me look on her and say, young lady, what? She says, somebody poop. Me say, mine I know you who no poop all the while and go along like I know who no.
It's crazy when you say that. Yo, dating a chick, expression at the beginning of the relationship, you never see her use the bathroom figure yet. Never hear her fart yet. You have to wonder if they poop her. But public transportation, whether Jamaica or abroad, is a mess. Brother, somebody always coming in from the bus or in a taxi smell like or just frownsy. Anyways, continue, Professor.
Same time me hear one old man say, we no can't smell good on the nose no open. Poop don't smell, so you are hear me people. That's somebody we fat supposed to shit too. One dread did sit down with a piece of bamboo. You're a man, search a rust, him did I eat mango. The rust lick him with a bag and say, what, dumpy the pan you, and a search on yourself and not have battery.
Why they feel like they must always style the rasta them? Like, yo, leave the dread alone. For a long time, rasta them I go through this now from the 60s and 50s. They used to beat the rasta them for them weed and because they have dreads and yeah. Lord the Rasta. Go on, Professor.
Everybody get up and start to argue and say we must find his who and kill that with people. Me make sure ball out. Nigga people, why them always at a pin and dog? No, I say be careful of you before tonight done. You might have head up with your body cup. Careful of your poop before tonight done. Low. Not to be sure, to be more precise, fool. I never really believe, say me, to brown bull till when me go so hard rub me turly in a hole. The two side puff to hell, the pants full.
I can't imagine trying to fart silently and poo up yourself in a public transportation. That cannot be comfortable. All eyes on you.
Cool now, man. Better joke than that. I mandate to come off up at the next stop. I may look fool, but me and no idiot. All when the bus reach my stop, me still sit down and chat. The doctor him know me. Him work on the bus, he must say, one give me wet. Hear him go say, one nuts. No, you stop this. Me say, go away, your head bus. You forget so that they live up at the bus terminal. The girl when they beside me, she come in like scout. Just a dig up and a pull up and a look all about. She go look for me away and start skin up her mouth. Hear me not in on me mind? Oh, that she find out. So said, so done. Me see when she bow. Look down at my foot and say, kiss me bull cow. One stop driver, let me off now. Is this a brother? Yeah, she took the bus to blow.
So, she never noticed, she never smell the stinkness there right beside her all this time. Continue, Professor.
Look for me shoes, it's like she confused. Me ask her if she love the style. She ball, move, then she call one man. I say, have me excuse, sir. Look for that and see if that her shoes. The man talk, laugh, then me hear him say, man, you stop yourself. Me say, move and go away, you're too fast. And me did got under there. And when the bus drop in a pothole, me dinner dash way. Ladies and gentlemen, it's me.
Yo! My question to Professor that though. If that's your dinner, what did you cook? What did you have for dinner? Shit. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bless.